The second pillar seeks to transform production as to generate more quality jobs and competitive products and services. Layon ng 1.852 trillion pesos na nakatalaga dito ang makagawa ng maraming trabaho habang sinusuportahan ang agrikultura at ang industrial na modernisasyon ng Pilipinas. This will ensure our country's sustainable economic growth. The third pillar endeavors to create enabling environment encompassing institutions and physical natural environments. Makakatanggap ng malaking pondo ang mga programa sa infrastruktura at pamamahala. It will modernize public services, boost connectivity, and enhance climate resilience. Nakapailalim at sa tatlong haliging ito ang legacy projects ng Pangulo, ang Legacy Specialty Hospitals, Legacy on Food Security, at Legacy Housing para sa mahihirap. Nakasentro ang atensyon ng pamahalaan na tiyaking may maayos tayong mga ospital para alagaan ang mga Pilipino, may sapat tayong pagkain at may disenteng tirahan. In terms of sectors, the 2025 budget allocates significant resources to: number one, education. It remains the top priority with 977.6 billion pesos dedicated to ensuring accessible and quality education for all. Number two, public works and highways. It will receive 900 billion pesos to address infrastructure gaps, including flood control, roads, and bridges. Number three, health. It gets 297.6 billion pesos to enhance healthcare